Ever feel like your money vanishes faster than a magician's rabbit? You're not alone. But fear not, today, we're diving into powerful tips to transform your financial journey. Whether you're a budgeting beginner or a seasoned saver, these insights will help you take control of your cash and crush your financial goals. Buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets to a stable, prosperous future. 1. Financial management is the process of planning, saving, and investing your money to achieve your financial goals. It's important to start good financial habits early so you can build a secure future for yourself. Here are a few tips to get you started. Welcome to Business Alchemy. Track your spending. The first step to managing your money is to know where it's going. Track your income and expenses for a month to see where you're spending your money. There are many budgeting apps and tools available to help you with this. Once you know where your money is going, you can start to make changes. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt, but the treasure is your financial freedom. The first clue? Figuring out where all your gold coins, income, are going and where you're spending them. Expenses. That's what tracking your spending is all about. Think of it like this. For a month, be a detective for your money. Every time you spend something, big or small, write it down like a cool spy. Coffee? Jot it down. New shoes? Add it to the list. This might seem tedious, but trust me, it's like finding a secret map to your financial future. Create a budget. A budget is a plan for your money. It helps you allocate your income to different categories, such as housing, food, transportation, and savings. There are many different budgeting methods, so find one that works for you. Once you have a budget, stick to it as much as possible. Budgeting doesn't have to be scary. Think of it like a fun treasure map for your money. It helps you figure out where all your gold, income, goes, and then plan exciting adventures, financial goals, with it. Here's how to create your own treasure map. 1. Gather your loot. Income. Write down all the ways you get money, like your salary, side hustles, or even gifts from grandma. Expenses. Track where your money goes for a month, from rent and groceries to that fancy latte you love. Categorize them like pirates do: necessities, food, shelter, treasures, entertainment, hobbies, and investments, savings, retirement. 2. Chart your course. Choose a budgeting method that fits your style. There are trusty old spreadsheets, handy phone apps, or even colorful charts and graphs if you're feeling creative. 3. Divide the treasure. Allocate your income to each expense category. Remember, necessities come first, then your fun treasures, and don't forget to set aside some gold for future adventures, savings. 4. Set sail. Track your spending throughout the month to make sure you're staying on course. If you splurge on a treasure you didn't plan for, adjust your map accordingly. Remember, even pirates sometimes go off course, but the key is to get back on track. 5. Celebrate your victories. Reaching a savings goal or sticking to your budget for a month deserves a reward. Treat yourself to something small you enjoy, like a movie night or a delicious home-cooked meal. Remember, creating a budget is like any adventure. There will be ups and downs, but with a little planning and effort, you'll reach your financial goals and discover hidden treasures along the way. Pay off debt. Debt can be a major drain on your finances. If you have high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. There are many different debt payoff methods, so find one that works for you. Once you're debt-free, you'll have more money to save and invest. I can definitely help you with that. Here's how I would explain paying off debt in a friendly and encouraging way. Imagine debt as a big, heavy backpack you're carrying around. It might not seem so bad at first, but the longer you carry it, the heavier it gets, and the harder it is to move forward. The good news is, you can ditch that backpack and feel the weight lift off your shoulders. Here are some fun ways to think about paying off debt. 1. 1. The debt demolition mission. Choose your debt, target the debt you want to tackle first. It could be the one with the highest interest rate, the smallest balance, or the one that annoys you the most. Create a debt demolition plan, track your progress, celebrate milestones, and reward yourself for each debt you conquer. Imagine the feeling of freedom with each conquered debt. 2. The snowball effect. Start with the smallest debt, even if it has a lower interest rate. Paying it off completely gives you a quick win and motivates you to tackle the next one, creating a snowball effect of momentum and accomplishment. 3. The big avalanche attack. Focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. This saves you the most money in the long run, even though it might take longer to pay off completely. Think of it as taking down the biggest avalanche threat first. 4. The treat yourself fund. Every dollar you put towards debt is a dollar you're not paying in interest. Imagine all the amazing things you can do with that extra money once you're debt-free. Set up a treat yourself fund to visualize what you'll achieve with your newfound financial freedom. Save for emergencies. It's important to have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save at least 3 months' worth of living expenses. Imagine life as a smooth road trip, but sometimes unexpected bumps and detours appear. That's where an emergency fund comes in, like a spare tire and roadside assistance for your finances. It's a pot of money set aside for those, oh no, moments like a car needing repairs, a surprise medical bill, or even a lost job. Having this safety net can keep you calm and in control. Facing emergencies is stressful enough. Knowing you have a buffer reduces panic and lets you focus on solutions. Prevent debt spirals. Unexpected expenses shouldn't force you into high-interest loans or credit card debt. Your emergency fund helps you avoid those financial potholes. Give you peace of mind. Knowing you're prepared for the unexpected brings a sense of security and freedom. It's like having a superhero cape, ready for whatever life throws your way. How much to save? Aim for 3 months' worth of living expenses. This might seem daunting, but remember, even small, regular contributions add up over time. Start with what you can comfortably manage and gradually increase it as your income grows. Remember, your emergency fund is an investment in your future self. It's a shield against life's curveballs, giving you the confidence and flexibility to handle them smoothly. So, buckle up, start saving, and enjoy the ride. Invest for the future. Investing is a great way to grow your wealth over time. There are many different investment options available, so do your research and choose investments that are right for you. Imagine your future self, maybe retired, traveling the world, or pursuing a passion. Investing for the future is like planting a seed today that grows into a beautiful tree that shades your golden years. Here's how it works. Think of your money as a seed instead of letting it sit idle. Investing allows it to sprout by earning returns over time. This growth comes from various sources, like companies paying dividends for owning their stock or interest earned on bonds. Choose the right soil. There are many investment options, each with its own risk and reward profile. Like different types of soil, some options, like stocks, can offer potentially higher returns but come with more ups and downs. Others, like bonds, are more stable but might grow slower. Do your research. It's like picking the perfect seedling. Understanding different investment options and their suitability for your goals and risk tolerance is crucial. Talk to financial advisors, read reliable sources, and compare options carefully. Start small and nurture patiently. Just like a little sapling needs care, start with an amount you're comfortable with and reinvest regularly. Consistency is key. Over time, even small contributions can blossom into something significant. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be market fluctuations like sunny and rainy days. Don't get discouraged by temporary dips. Focus on the long-term potential. Get financial advice. If you're not sure how to manage your money, there are many resources available to help you. You can talk to a financial advisor, Read books or articles about personal finance, or take a financial literacy class. Feeling lost in the world of money? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many of us could use a helping hand when it comes to managing our finances. But fear not, there's a treasure trove of resources out there to guide you on your financial journey. Think of it like this. Imagine your finances as a beautiful garden. You know it has the potential to flourish, but maybe you're unsure where to plant the seeds or how much water to give. That's where financial advice comes in. It's like having a friendly gardening expert by your side, offering tips and tricks to help your financial garden bloom. Here are some amazing ways to get financial advice, tailored just for you. Find a financial advisor who feels like a good fit. They'll be your personal finance coach, cheering you on and helping you create a plan that aligns with your unique goals and dreams. Look for someone you can trust and who explains things in a way that makes sense to you. Dive into the world of books and articles. There's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting to be discovered. From personal finance blogs to beginner-friendly books, find resources that spark your interest and answer your specific questions. Join a financial literacy class. Learning alongside others can be a fun and motivating way to boost your financial knowledge. Plus, you'll have classmates to share experiences and celebrate wins with. Remember, the most important thing is to take that first step. Whether you choose a financial advisor, become a bookworm, or enroll in a class, know that you're investing in your future financial well-being. And hey, who knows? You might even discover a hidden passion for managing your money. So, go forth and explore the wonderful world of financial advice and watch your financial garden flourish. Review your finances regularly. It's important to review your finances regularly to make sure you're on track. This means tracking your spending, checking your budget, and reviewing your investments. Imagine your finances like a delicious recipe for a smooth sailing future. Just like any good recipe, you need to check in occasionally to make sure everything's simmering nicely. Reviewing your finances regularly is like taking a peek at the pot. Tracking your spending, this is like checking the ingredients you have on hand. Are you using everything efficiently, or are there any mystery expenses you can switch out for something more affordable? Checking your budget, this is like seeing if you're following the recipe's proportions. Are you on track with your savings goals, or do you need to adjust your spending habits to keep everything balanced? Reviewing your investments, this is like tasting the dish as it cooks. Are your investments growing as expected, or do you need to adjust your strategy to get the right flavor for your future goals? By giving your finances a friendly review every now and then, you can catch any potential oops moments before they burn everything. It's not about being strict or punitive, but about making sure your financial journey is delicious and fulfilling. Remember, small adjustments along the way can make a big difference in the final outcome. So, grab your financial whisk and give your finances a quick, happy check-in whenever you feel like it. By following these tips, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Here are some additional tips. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so you don't have to think about it. Cook at home more. Eating out can be expensive. Try to cook at home more often to save money. Cancel unused subscriptions. Do you have any subscriptions that you're not using? Cancel them to save money. Negotiate your bills. Don't be afraid to negotiate your bills with your cable company, internet provider, or other service providers. Shop around for insurance. Get quotes from different insurance companies before you renew your policies. Remember, financial management is a journey, not a destination. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. Just keep learning and making progress. Remember, financial management isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. By taking control of your finances, you unlock the freedom to pursue your dreams, achieve your goals, and build a secure future. These tips are just the starting point. As you learn and grow, your financial journey will evolve. Embrace the process, celebrate your wins, and remember you've got this. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.